everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I wish you, everyone, Ramadan Kareem. Today we decided to go for Iftar, so we went to BBQ tonight. It's on top of floor on Falinga Mall in Jeddah. There I met my friend Zayan, and since it was time to break the fast, we immediately rushed towards food. First I grabbed some pakoras. They had chicken pizza. Then I saw biryani, which was very yummy. So I got it for myself. Then there was kebab. There we saw rice. Then there was Kabuli pulao. There were rice and pakora curry as well. Then curry. There were potatoes and eggplants. This is called chicken parari. This is butter chicken. The dish was very yummy, but I didn't try it. Chops and chicken. There were some rotis as well. There was here one of my favorite, jalebi. There was a chicken for salad bar. It was a good visit. Go and check it out, guys. That's the end of my videos. Hope you liked it. See you soon.